Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for opening this video today. We are at Bell Acres, which is actually out of the St. John's Road on Bellevue Boulevard. Ladies and gentlemen, we started this project right in the pandemic, and we are about to hand over phase one. But guess what? I have one unit in phase one, which is a duplex unit, a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, that one of you lucky persons who always wanted one of these can actually get right now, right? Remember to give me a call, 876-292-6776. So let's have a look at what the units actually look like. This is a 1 bed, 1 bath. So Xander is here and he's gonna help me today to go through. Come Xander, let's go. All right, so you enter, which is the living area, right? This is your living area, and your dining table goes right over there. Xander, you want to take that out? Good boy. No, you want to take it out? All right, so, and the bedroom is through there. So let's have a look at the kitchen first. So let's have a look at come down here, this is the dining area space. I'm actually standing right here. The dining area space. And let's have a look at the kitchen. So your kitchen actually comes with a breakfast counter, beautiful, fabulous. These small units, 1 bedroom, you actually get a breakfast counter. So you can put 2 stools right here. Then as you enter the kitchen area, right, so you have a space for your stove, 30-inch stove, whether it be gas stove or an electric stove. You also, as you can see, an ample cabinet space, and your refrigerator will go to the right. So I showed you your living area, your dining area is where I'm standing right now. So let me show you your bedroom and bathroom. So your bedroom for sure can hold a double bed and a nightstand. If you go that queen, you might have to give up something, right? Comes also with this closet space. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, it's so hot today. So hot, literally. Thank you so much, Xander. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Comes with a standing shower. So just for you to come in and add your finishing touches. Now as you can see, the bathroom, you have 2 doors, right? So you have one from your bathroom, you also have a door from the living area. So it also acts as a powder room for your guests. The unit also comes with a back area. A back porch, and it doubles So this side is for your washing machine, so you can get your electricity and your outlet. And then this side here would be for your wash tub. Backyard will go to that fence, and you can do an addition from a 1 bed, 1 bath to a 2 bed, 2 bath on the ground floor, and then upstairs. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in this unit, you want to give me a call right now, 876-292-6776. And remember, be great to yourself and buy real estate.